Hey guys, this is V and welcome to Designs by V. As promised, a DIY a day. Guys, today I'm going to show you how to paint not so real wood. Like, you know, the cabinets, those pressed wood stuff. I have found a little El Secreto. That's my Spanish and I'm sticking to it. I have found this paint that I also share with another friend, Wani, that you could spray paint things that is not wood, and you have to do no sanding or anything like that. And with this paint that it says on it is good for plastic, you could go ahead and use that. I will do a more intensive video to show you later on this week. This is the spray gun that I'm using for the top of the spray. So I will get that car, like that mechanic spray work done. Yes, I want that good a spray with no drippings, and it gives you very even coat. Like for instance, this is like the first coat, but the first spray on the piece. Sorry, I'm out of the frame. I'll do a better video next time. And as you see, with just good coverage, see, that's going over it once. Look. And it got a little bit of spray in the can. It's not a full one. This was the leftover from me doing that cabinet. So guys, as you see, there's no running, there's no streaks. I think the trick of it is using that, keeping it 6 inches away and using that spray gun. Well, I think this is the end of my spray, but you get the gist. Guys, if you like what I'm doing here also, please like, subscribe, and share. Hit the notification that when I upload videos, you'll be the first to be notified. Don't forget to click the bell. So this was leftover spray after I sprayed this cabinet right here. And that was also plastic. Guys, like I said, I'm doing more intensive videos showing you how I use a sanding block on the piece after, and the paint does not come off. This is my pretty Miss Lola, being my little Vanna White. I showed you that yesterday. And this is the way the piece, once I brought it in, this is the way it looked. This is the shelf now that I just painted. I thought I did a video of the handle pieces. And it's the same type of scroll work as the scones that I have. And guys, yes, we are still outdoors. Yes, I'm loving it. Can't wait to reveal the space fully. Stay tuned to the end and I will show you me styling the piece. But this is how my shelf is looking. And these are some of the things that I want to use on this shelf. Yeah, she wants to make it pretty. We are in the south of France. Don't tell nobody now. So this is a sign that I have. The piece here, I think I bought that from Hobby Lobby. Bought the fake bread from Hobby Lobby. Real extra virgin olive oil. Yes, in a can. And I think I paid $6 from Home Goods. Bottle of Stella Rosa. Yes, yes, yes. We're going to have a little bit more French wine. But, I could have grabbed the Stella Rosa. This is of the Provence. This is a beautiful seasoning that you could use just to put everything. And it makes your meal have a little twist and a little turn to it. This is a basket here that I thrifted last week. Didn't even know I needed it. $1. I seen it. I'm like, I'm pulling all that mess off of it. But girl, it's perfect for my spot. And my pizza board already hung it up. So yes, let's get to
looking at you?
Tell me how you like it.
You're a picture in a frame. I make believe you're next to me, but I know it's not the same. Why am I looking at you? You're a pixel on a screen. Your animating principle is nowhere to be seen. Why am I lost in a loveless fantasy when somebody real is waiting out there for me? Why am I looking at you? I've enjoyed the years I've wasted, but the time has come to face the fact that none of what I see is true. So I'm gonna stop looking at you. wanna stop looking at you. Oh.
Hey guys, don't forget again, like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for watching. And tomorrow I have another DIY for you. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.